Hey guys, let me show you how to use Photo Assist on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Let's get started. And firstly, we are gonna open Gallery and choose any photo which we wanna edit. For example, in this photo, I wanna remove this piece of jacket. And for this, I'm gonna tap on this stars, which is AI, and just draw around this jacket. Then I will press and hold this object and use this eraser to erase this object, and then tap generate button and wait a couple of seconds till it will be generated. And that's it, now the jacket is gone. If you tap on this view original, you'll be able to see the original photo. And also you can set the new one, just tap the save copy and it will be immediately saved in the gallery. So here is my AI generated photo and here is my original one. Also, with the help of this function, you can reorder or replace objects. Let me show you. Let's choose this picture. As before, tap on the stars and now draw a circle around this toy. Now I can press and hold it and drag to the right corner, and I can also flip it just using my two fingers. Let's leave it this way. And when you're done, you can also tap the button to generate and then check how the picture will change. And here's the result, but I was not quite careful, so the picture looks kinda odd, but it will work as an example. So when you're done, just tap save copy and it will be immediately saved to your gallery. Here it is. And here is the original photo. And that's it. Now you know how to use Photo Assist on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.